They can always practice kicking on the side or just in the shallow end and just practicing those kicks to begin with. And even in level 1, it doesn't have to be perfect kicks, but the better their kicks are and the more you correct them, the better they're going to swim later. So then we can practice, just her hands are going to be on my shoulders. And I'm going to kind of bend down, get in the water, and she's going to practice kicking. I hold her hips, and she's going to point her toes and start kicking. Ready? Kick, 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 kick. And we'll just walk and walk. And I could go a little bit deeper, but there's a mic, so I don't want to do that right now. But I would get my shoulders in the water to get her in a good alignment also. There we go. And we just kick. And then sometimes you could even get like a rubber ducky or something that floats. And you can throw it and say, we're going to go get that. And then they have to kick to it and then have them throw it. And then we'll go kick to it again. So that's one way. Once they've progressed from kicking, holding onto the shoulders, then I can hold her hands and she can put her face in the water. Put your eyes in the water, please. Put your eyes in the water, and she can just kick holding my hands.